And now at 5:30, the City of Modesto looking for ways to lower the risk of flooding. Thanks for staying with us here at 5:30. I'm Tony Lopez.
And I'm Marley Ginter. Your reporter covering Stanislaus County, Nina Burns, joining us from Modesto, getting answers on this plan. Hi, Nina.
Hi, and that's right. The City of Modesto is hosting informational meetings on flooding. Now, this comes after the city received a $450,000 grant from FEMA to conduct a flood study. Now, we did go to a flood-prone neighborhood and asked residents about their concerns.
They usually shut it off. They usually put a fence up and say, it's flooded, we can't go through, so I have to go all the way around.
La Loma resident Derek Alexander says flooding from the dry creek frequently shuts down his neighborhood road, but says he's happy the City of Modesto is conducting a flood study.
I mean, we're paying our taxes, so we should get what we deserve.
So we're bringing them in, telling them about the grant we received, telling them about the upcoming study we're going to be doing.
City of Modesto Associate Engineer Miguel Alvarez says the flood study comes after they received a nearly $450,000 grant from FEMA.
A study, sort of like a small master plan, to identify projects, prioritize them, and see which ones are the biggest bang for the buck.
The study will evaluate different flood reduction methods, like elevating homes and improving river management. But in the meantime, the city is hosting informational meetings on flood prevention.
It doesn't make any sense for us to have flood insurance because we're not going to flood.
Another La Loma resident, Robert Emmerich, says he hopes the city takes a look at flooding zones, saying he's mandated to pay for flood insurance despite living higher on a hill.
We're just kind of stuck. So then I resell it, then I have to make sure I put that into the contract that we're in a flood zone.
We're going to continue and keep the public updated as we progress with the study. We'll roll out the different projects that might come out of the study and see what the public input is on them.
Now, tonight is the last night to attend a public input meeting, and that is at Overwright Elementary School. All are welcome, and it starts at 6 p.m.
Yeah, it affects a lot of people, that's for sure. Nina, thank you. Live in Modesto tonight.